All right, let's have ourselves an adventure. So what we got here is a non-alcoholic item from Dr. Pepper. I didn't think Dr. Pepper makes other flavors. And here we are. This is going to be their blackberry. But doesn't Dr. Pepper swear they have like 23 different fruits and vegetables to make their unique flavor? And then blackberry's not a part of that? Now, truth be told, Dr. Pepper used to be my poison back in the day. And I used to drink 3 liters a day. And then I had to stop. I haven't had Dr. Pepper in a long time. So I'm excited to try this blackberry. So let's go ahead and open this and get that carbonation out. So the real question is it going to be is it going to be good, or is this a bad idea? You know what I mean? We'll go ahead and pour it. Looks like Dr. Pepper. I see a little coloration in the bubbles, not the normal color. It's just something I caught. You know what I mean? So close this off. And let's see what we got with this blackberry. That's jammy. That's a lot of jam, baby. Yeah, that smells like straight up berries. Now, I wouldn't necessarily say blackberry, but because Dr. Pepper has a distinctive fragrance, and you guys can primarily name a few berries: blueberries, raspberries, blackberries. This just smells like a berry jam, like it's like almost triple berry. But we can take out the blue. We'll get past the Dr. Pepper, and it's going to be sitting between raspberry and blackberry. So just in case if you've never experienced blackberry, we can go be comfortable with raspberry. I know they're totally two different things, but the way it's mixing in with the Dr. Pepper, that's what it smells like to me. For the first time ever in a long time, that's a product that says what it is, right? We have blackberry. You're expecting it to be berry, right? Juicy berry. You want to see that it's going to be an actual really good flavor over the Dr. Pepper, and it is. That's blackberry with Dr. Pepper. So for the first time for me, that's a product that's like spot on. So would I recommend this? Absolutely. There's nothing else to say. It tastes like berries, blackberries, and Dr. Pepper. Blackberry first, Dr. Pepper second, all a good time. Cheers.